What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie, and today for you we are sharing what's inside my hotel bag. Now this is something I bring with me. We do a lot of like weekend excursions. I am a full-time RVer, mom of 4, so we try to take breaks out of the RV as much as we can. I love to travel. I actually have a travel page. It's called Travel Vibe Chasers. If you don't know that, we have a YouTube channel and we have an Instagram, so go check us out. But everything in this bag is what you will need in a hotel room. I mean, I have things to keep you safe, entertained, just all the goods are in here. You guys know I love a well-executed kit. That's why they call me the kit queen here. So hopefully this will be helpful to you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me over there. I post a lot on a daily basis, different products, and you'll find everything there. Also, all of the product links will be listed in a blog post down below. It'll say tap here to shop, and you'll be able to find everything there. And without further ado, if you guys want to see what's inside my hotel bag, then just keep watching. All right, so here is the bag, you guys. It has a handle on the top, which I love because you can just pop it into a bag. It is really good. I'm actually gonna share with you guys very soon. So I'm gonna repurchase another one of these. I only had this bag, but I'm gonna get another one for my kitchen bag. If you guys wanna see my travel kitchen bag, that is everything that is in this bad boy. It is huge, but everything will fit in there. I just need to buy another bag. So if you guys wanna see this video, let me know. But this is the bag that I bring with me when I'm traveling to like multiple Airbnbs, or like when I was in Hawaii, I needed every single thing in this bag. We stayed in an Airbnb for 6 weeks. So let me know if you guys are interested in the kitchen bag for travel. So here is the bag. I love that you open it from the top here. Okay, let me just show you guys what it looks like at a glance here. I have labeled everything. It's all nice and organized. All right, so the first thing in this bag, this is a travel clothesline. So it has all the wires and everything in here. This is by Sea to Summit. This is a really great brand, you guys, for travel items and for backpacking stuff. So this is a really good item. I love how like tiny and compact it is. It's really perfect. Okay, then as you can see, this says hooks on the top here. Basically, I have command hooks, and then I have these other little hooks that you can hang on glass shower doors, and there's other, you know, cabinet doors and different things you can hang these on, so you can hang up bags or a jacket, a hand towel, or whatever it is you want. I have a bunch of them in here, so it's just nice to have these when you're traveling to places. We usually stay a little bit longer because we're full-time travelers, so it's just nice to have everything in here. And I like this container. I don't even know where I got this, but I like that it can hold everything in without it spreading around everywhere, so this is really nice. Next up, we have Downy Wrinkle Release. I think this is super important. I also carry a steam iron with me, but this is nice for like quick jobs, the kids' clothes, or whatever it is. You just spray it on there, spread it out flat, and then it gets the wrinkles out. It actually does work. Next up, we have Lysol spray. Now, I usually have a bigger one in here, but I switch it to a smaller one just because the other one was so bulky. But it just, when I get into a hotel, I spray down everything. Let me know. I feel like now that I'm talking to you guys, that would be such a good video to do on what I do when I get in a hotel room. I do have a video organizing your hotel room. I'll link that in the eye above for you, but let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, because I feel like when I get to a hotel room, it's very specific on what I do, my routine. Okay, so Lysol spray, spray handles, I spray the remote controller, I spray the sink handles if there is any. I spray everything that is a high traffic area, basically, that your hands will come in contact with. So I bought this little gold container. This is just, you know, one of those travel ones, and I put hand sanitizer in it. I think it's pretty. I set this out on the counter right when I get there, and then everybody can use this when they need to. So as you can see, I have labeled all the things here. We have miscellaneous, electronics, and then we have safety. Okay, so these are my 3 categories that I have in here. In this first one here, safety is so important when you're traveling. I feel like this is my number one. I like putting my zippers at the top so I can open them without taking it out, but I'm taking it out because it'll be easier to show you guys. In the top here, I have this device. you turn it on. Wi-Fi detection, camera detection, all of that. So this is on Wi-Fi right now, watch this. I don't know, I changed the setting somehow, but see, it's starting to vibrate. Anyways, you can make it beep. I don't know how I just turned it off. I have to play around with it still. It's new, but it does work. So right, see, it's off now, and then when I point to it. So it also does it for the camera and for everything else. So I just think this is super important to have for safety. Love this. Next up in here, this is an alarm. I'm actually getting a second one because we usually have 2 doors. We'll get connecting rooms or whatever it is. Like last time we had such issues when we were in Canada. They separated us because we had a family room. They gave it to somebody else. So I think it's good to have 2 of these. I will definitely purchase 2, but hold on, let me see if I can do this. So you keep these together and you stick them in the door. But once they're separated and the door opens, super loud. Okay, do not want that going off. This works very, very, very well. So the next things are these 2 locks for the door. So you insert them into the door. This goes into the door jamb. This one like hooks onto here somehow like that. And then it keeps the door on super tight. So these are definitely important to have. It'll give you that extra security. And then last but not least, we have window locks. Now, these are, if you are in an Airbnb or you're at a place and you just want a little extra security. If somebody wants to break in, guys, they're gonna break the glass and break in. But this buys you a little bit more time if they're trying to just open the window. If you have kids and you don't want them outside, or you're at a place with a pool, you can put these on there. I would definitely test them out and see, you know, their strength, but I definitely am glad I have these. Next bag is the electronics bag. So I'm gonna be adding some extra chargers and things to that. For right now, we have this little system. I also have my own charger for my tech bag, so this is for the family, and it's nice because it has USB and USB-C and regular plugs. This is great to have on you, and like I said, I'm gonna add some charging cords and put them in here just so we have extra ones just for traveling, which we've stolen them from this bag, so, you know, we're always fighting over cords. And then next up we have a Roku. So this is basically your internet. You can get your Netflix, your Disney, Hulu, everything on here, and you just buy this device, plug it in, and then you can hook up all your stuff. So it's got the plug and the remote and the little device that comes with it. And I just got this off of Amazon. Everything is from Amazon, you guys. I will link everything down below in a blog post. I will post it like 5 times so you don't miss it, but all the links will be in the blog post. Last but not least, we have the miscellaneous container here. First off, we have all of these wipes. You guys know I like having these on me for emergencies. Let's go over these really quickly. I left some in there so we didn't have to take them all out, but we have sunscreen. I also bring some in our travel bags, but if we lose them or something happens, these are all backup products. Remember, redundancy is key when you're preparing. So have backups of everything. We have hand sanitizing wipes. I always keep a few of these extra Neutrogena makeup wipes. I have some lip balm, have some off wipes, have some packets of witch hazel, flame skin, blemishes, whatever, and it has some aloe in it, which is nice. Okay, and a couple other things I wanted to show you guys. We have body lotion and we have a few packs of mouthwash. Like I said, I will be keeping these, you know, I'll have extra of these everywhere else, but these are just backups. Okay, so next up we have some soap sheets. They're just little soap sheets you can use just in case the hotel room doesn't have any soap. Okay, then we have this little sewing kit. It has everything you could possibly think of. I think it's a perfect size for emergencies, and it has a little pair of scissors. Then I always have these water purifying tabs. Depending on where you're at, what's going on, these are great for emergencies. I also have these in my EDC bag, but those are great to have. Then we just have some extra Vaseline. Then I have this, it's just a bag of laundry detergent. And I just love these little packs you can get from Target or Walmart. And then I stick them in here just for extra insurance. I don't want it getting all over everything. And then I just have a little mini first aid kit I like to keep in here. I have a huge one. If you guys want to see that as well, I can share that with you. But I have a big first aid kit that I keep all kinds of emergency stuff and medication for when we travel. So this is just a backup. Then I just keep some tissue. And last but not least in here, we just have a lighter. I'm probably gonna stick some matches in here as well. All right, you guys, and that's it. This is all of the things. So I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know if you guys are interested in seeing any of those other videos. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed what was inside my hotel bag. This is so helpful to me, so I'm hoping it's helpful to you guys. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration. Let me know if you guys come up with anything that you want to add to your bag. That would be awesome down below. And everything will be listed, like I said, in that blog post. You go down and it'll say tap here to shop links, and I'll post it like 5 times so you guys don't miss it. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, hit that little bell, always come say hello. I love getting to know you guys. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, leave me a hotel emoji down below and let me know that you did. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna.